In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add new pages to your Wix website using Wix Editor. To get started, open your site in the Wix Editor. So you are on the main editing screen. This is where you will manage your website's structure and make changes to what visitors will see. Once your editor is open, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You will find the Pages and Menu icon there. It usually looks like a page or a list. And this is the section where you can control your website's pages and navigation. Go ahead and click that Pages and Menu icon. When the panel opens, you will see the list of pages that already exist on your site. This is also where you can add brand new pages, whenever you want to expand your website. Look for the Add Page button, which may appear at the top or bottom of the site menu panel depending on your layout, and click it. At this point, Wix will give you a couple of options for how you want to create the page. If you want full creative control, choose a blank page. This gives you an empty canvas, which is perfect if you already know exactly how you want the page to look and plan to build everything from scratch. If you'd rather save time, you can choose a page template instead. Wix includes pre-designed options for common page types like About, Services, or Contact. These templates can be very helpful because they already include a basic structure, which makes it easier to get started. Just browse through the available options. Hover over the one you want and click Add Page after the page has been created. You'll need to name it. Type the new page name directly into the text field. For example, you might create a page for a portfolio, a menu, or any other content you want to add to your site. Once you've entered the name, press Enter, or click Done to confirm it. Wix will automatically add your new page to your site's navigation bar, which means visitors will be able to find it from your menu right away. If the page appears in a spot you don't like, don't worry, you can simply drag and drop it within the page list to rearrange the order. This is useful for keeping your navigation clean, organized, and easy for visitors to follow. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.